Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I want to take a look, we want to try this Lockwood. Here's the key for it, and this isn't the original key, so I got this on trade for something one time, so I've been able to pick this, but I haven't actually gutted it yet, so I'm going to see if we can get this picked on camera today. So this is a Lockwood, and it says 334B45 on the bottom and the back. Very beautiful lock. There's the bottom. So like I said, well, there's the keyway. Get zoomed in a little bit more. So like I said, I haven't picked this a few times, but I haven't done so on camera yet. Anyway, so the one thing I like, it is not only is a beautiful lock, but the nice shackle pop. Very nice. And as you can tell by the key, it is kind of a little extreme there. So anyway, so let's see if we can get this picked today. I definitely can feel, not sure exactly what's in here, but I definitely can feel what feels like spools and stuff in there. So just going to use my wiper blade insert tension wrench. Super long one. Like how long that thing is? Whatever. It works. Use my Jimmy Long's hook. I have been using the medium hook and just kind of starting at the beginning and getting into a false set, but I'm going to try and do it a little bit differently this time. So I'm picking off this warding, and I'm going to go and see if I can go all the way to the back and work from the front. See if I can get it open faster that way. So there's, how many pins is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins? Is that what I'm counting? So let's go all the way to the back here. Because it seems like in the back, like 4 or 5, there's some really sharp spools. So if I get them into a false set, then they don't, they get a hard time getting them to pick out of it. So not really getting anything right now. So maybe that was a bad idea. So let's just start with pin number 1. If I can get on it, and not on the tension wrench. Okay, there's pin 1. Nice little false set there. Okay, pin 2. And get some counter. Counter. I didn't think it was that deep. And got some counter on there, but no clicking, and I think I overset it. So let's start over again here. Pin 1. Okay, let's get this going today. This is going slower than I wanted. Okay, pin 1. Stay on pin 1. Okay, pin. Okay, there's my false set there. Pin 2. counter. Feels like a small click there, maybe. Let's go on, pin 3. Work my way under that one. Nice click there. Pin 4. I have to switch to my other hook because I can't get under it with my medium hook too well. Okay, not getting anywhere. Pin 5. Okay, I'm not getting anywhere right now. Okay. Not cooperating right now. It's kind of working, coming back to the front with this little short hook. Okay, let's get reset because I'm not really feeling it right now. Maybe I have to zoom in. Maybe that was my problem, right? Getting it zoomed in. There's my little bit of a false set. Click on one little false set. This is a little stubborn guy today, huh? Okay, there I felt a click there. Felt a click there. Okay, all the way to the back. Where's my pins at? I want pins, not warding. Come on. Sometimes it seems like with heavier tension, it seems like it does speaks a little bit better, and sometimes lighter tension does too. So this is still kind of learning a little bit more with this lock, but it does seem like, to me it seems like spools, but I haven't even opened it up yet, so can't say for sure. Yeah, only 3 clicks. I'll try this other tension wrench. It fits a little tighter and a little stiffer. got some good fault set there. That was pin number 1, of course. Pin 2. Feels like I gotta click on that one. Pin 3. Work under that one. A little counter and a click, it felt like. Maybe. Then I think I can switch over to the shorter hook. Back into our false set again. Let's go back to the beginning. Pin 1, 2. The counter rotation, click on that one. 3. I think I heard some stuff drop. I pay attention to the camera, make sure I'm staying in frame. No, I guess the camera doesn't tell me that. I guess my computer tells me that. The monitor. Okay. Maybe when I heard everything drop, that meant some SOL. Let's try to go back through with the medium hook again. I think that just slipped off the pin, not anything. Come on. Gotta coax it right. Okay. Sounded like everything dropped. Let's try it again. There we go. 2, I think that's set. Three. Okay. Okay. Seems like we're getting somewhere, but I think I'm getting somewhere. Feeling like it's gonna go. Definitely putting up a fight, isn't it, today? All kinds of weird noises coming out of this one. I just feel like I'm so close. There's some good counter there. Come on. This one's definitely not giving up without a fight. I'm working back out at it right now. There, finally. What, 20 minutes later? Ugh, jeez. That There we go. Finally, there we go. Got it open. 20 minutes later. If you stuck through that, thank you. I was planning on gutting it too, so if you want to see the gutting, stick around. Whew, that one did not want to go down without a fight, did it? Okay, there we go. I've never taken this apart, so let's hope it goes smoothly. I did lock it back up because I do have a key. All right. Let's see what's in this guy. Get my shim out here. Definitely need our shims. Don't want to learn the hard way on what it's like not to have a shim. Okay, I think that one's way too small. There we go. That might work. Okay, wish me luck here. Kind of tight. Perhaps a different follower might have been more, would have worked better. Yeah, that shim's in there really tight. Not even in that all the way. I think I used the wrong follower, that's the problem. So let's hope we don't screw up too badly here. So there's the core there. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody must be home. The dogs are going crazy. Figures, huh? Okay, let's see if we can get this out without screwing anything too bad. Okay, I see the first pin right there. Okay. Pin number 1. And the spring. Oh, almost lost it. Didn't lose it though. Pin number 2. And the spring. spring. We're getting closer. Pin number 4. And the spring. So all the springs are the same as it looks like. And here's pin 5. And the spring. There we go. Use this other follower to put it back together. So it looks like there's, it's all normal on the core. And the Bible looks all normal. And there's our pins. All spools except for the first one. There we go. There's the springs there. And the core. My Bible. Check out those pins. All the key pins are all standard. Well, looks like there's a, now I'm looking at it through here, you can kind of see the top of the pin looks like it's tapered a little bit maybe. And then all the pins on the top are spools, 2, 3, 4, 5 are spools, and then this is this other, like a double spool type thing. Anyway, there we go. That's that. So let's see if we can get it put back together real quick, if you guys want to stick around for that. Well, after the fight of trying to get it open, it's already 28 minutes, and then almost screwing it up by using a thicker follower than I needed to. All the springs are the same, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So let's see, pin 5. Went in like that. I can see in there. Pin 4. Okay. Pin 3. Uh-oh. Where'd the pin go? Well, that pin, I just heard something weird and then the pin's gone. I don't know what happened to it. Well, oh, there it is. No, wait a minute. Okay, I think I might have two springs. Okay, there's all the pin springs. Let's try this again. Sorry about that, it's taken forever for this video. Okay, round 2. Yeah, might have got 2 springs in there, because it just like disappeared or something. Wait a minute. Oh, the one, that's what I'm doing wrong. You guys are probably saying, hey dummy, I have there's 6 chambers. Oh, so the 6th one doesn't need a pin in there. That's what's going on. Start with pin chamber 5 and not pin chamber 6. I'll get this one of these times. This is kind of embarrassing, right? But that's the way it goes. Just like, wait a bit, I'm running out of room here. I don't have enough. I'm in a hurry and get this done. I got somewhere I need to be in a few minutes. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's the lesson we need to take today too, is not try and be in a hurry. Okay, so there we got that in there. Make sure we get this in right here. One, two, 3, 4, 5. that, I believe. All right. So it does still work, of course. Good. That's a good sign. It goes like that. And like that. Let's test it out before we put the screw in. That's a good thing. Drop that screw in there. There we go. Seems like everything's working good. There we go. Whew. That took a little bit. Oh, 37. Oh, 38. Wow. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for sticking through all that with me and going through the pain of going through that. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like and that you're subscribed. Definitely leave comments down below. Tell me what you think. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.